In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Docusign an email. Docusign is a fantastic tool for signing documents electronically, making the process of handling important paperwork easier and more convenient. Whether you're signing a contract, an agreement, or any other document, doing it via Docusign means you can take care of business seamlessly from wherever you are. First things first, we need to start by locating the email that requires your signature. Go to your email inbox. This could be your work email, personal email, or whichever account you use to handle your important documents. Sift through your emails until you find the specific message with the document you need to sign. Make sure it's the right one, so you're looking at the correct paperwork. Once you've found the email, open it up by clicking on it. This step is crucial because you need to access the contents of the email to move forward. Inside the email, look for instructions or links that guide you to the document itself. Typically, when emails are sent out requiring a DocuSign, there's a clear indication within the email, like a button or banner that points you to your next step. Next, after opening your email and locating the necessary link, click on the button that says something like Review Document. This action will take you directly into the DocuSign interface, where the document you've been asked to sign is waiting for you. In the DocuSign interface, you'll see the document laid out as it will appear to all parties involved. It's always a good idea to review the entire document before you proceed with signing. Take your time to ensure all details are accurate and that you understand what you're signing. There's usually an option to scroll through or click through each page to inspect the document thoroughly. Now, to sign the document, you'll need to click on the designated signature field. DocuSign will prompt you with options to add your signature, either by typing your name, drawing it, or even uploading an image of your physical signature if you already have one. Choose the option that suits you best. This flexibility is one of the great features of DocuSign, as it personalizes your digital signature. Once your signature is in place, click Finish or Complete to finalize the signing process. This tells DocuSign that you've completed your part, and it will typically notify all parties involved that the document is signed. You might want to download a copy of the completed document for your records, which is another handy feature of this platform. And there you have it. That's how you DocuSign an email. It's a straightforward and user-friendly experience designed to streamline the signing of documents without needing to print, scan, or fax. Thanks for joining me today, and happy signing.